Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nakapagpahinga na ba ang lahat? Has everyone taken the rest? Because this week, there are many non-working days. Nung Lunes, barangay at SK elections. If you were not candidates, it could have been a day of rest. Nung Wednesday at kahapon, holiday, All Saints Day, All Souls Day. Now, tomorrow will be Saturday and Sunday weekend. 2 araw lang nagtrabaho dito sa linggong ito. Yung mga estudyante, 1 linggo o higit pang walang pasok. God knows that we need rest. God knows that we are not machines, and even machines need rest. That is why there is Sabbath. Sabbath is a day of rest. 1 day in a week, the Jews did not work or do not work because they make Sabbath a sacred rest day. Kailangan natin yon. Kailangan nating magpahinga, not only physically, but also mentally. Nang sa ganon, ay magampanan natin ang ating mga susunod na gawain. Nowadays, the day of varies. Some do not have work on Sundays. Others do not have work on Saturdays or even Mondays. There are no work on those days. Whether it is Monday or Saturday or Sunday, once a week, we must rest. We must hold this day of rest sacred. If you can rest on Sunday, so much the better. And devote that day thanking God for the blessings of the previous week. Huwag lamang trabaho ng trabaho. Hindi matatapos ang trabaho, kinakailangan nating magpahinga. Kaya nga maging ang Diyos, matapos na lumikha sa loob ng 6 na araw, batay sa Biblia, ang Diyos ay nagpahinga sa 7 araw. Let us honor the Sabbath day. Let us honor the rest day. But our charity does not stop even on rest day. Loving other people, our fellow men, does not rest even on a Sabbath. And that is the point of Jesus in the gospel. Yes, we must respect Sabbath. Yes, we must rest and should not work on Sabbath. But when you are confronted with a charity, an opportunity to do charity, when you are facing an opportunity to extend love, grab it, do it, be charitable, even on a rest day. Kasi kuminsan sasabihin natin, ay, naku, bukas na lang kita tutulungan. No, nagpapahinga ako No? Sa gitna ng pangangailangan ng isang kapwa, ang batas ng pamamahinga ay nagiging pangalawa lamang. Kasi ang logic ng Panginoon ito, no? Who among you, if your son or ox falls into a cistern, would not immediately pull him out on the Sabbath day? Hindi ba? Sabi niya, kung nahulog yung anak mo sa balon, no, at pwedeng malunod, hindi mo sasabing, anak, maghintay ka, bukas na lang kita sasagipin kasi Sabbath ngayon, bawal ang magtrabaho. That's ridiculous. You show charity even on a rest day. We show love every day, even on Sundays. Today, we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Martin de Porres. He was known also as Martin the Charitable. Si Martin ang mapagkawang gawa. Sa kanya, ang lahat ng oras ay oras ng pagtulong. Walang pinipiling lugar, walang pinipiling panahon. Tularan natin si San Martin sa kanyang pagmamahal at sa kanyang pagiging mapagkawang gawa. Amen.